All right, this is a graduated cylinder, and you can see on here that there's marks on here. These are graduations, and this is in milliliters. So each one of these lines is 1 milliliter. So if we go here, this line here, you can see it goes all the way around. That's 50 milliliters. This is going to be 51, the first line above it. This is going to be 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. And when you make measurements, you can estimate between these lines. So if you look over here, if the meniscus was, let's say, halfway between the 51 and 52, we could say it's 51 and a half. So you can estimate. Now when making measurements, it's important to make sure the eye is at the correct angle to measure the meniscus. So if you look on here, if I look above, you can see the top of the meniscus, and it's hard to make a measurement. If I look below, you can see it's difficult to actually tell exactly where that is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera and try and get it so that I'm at the eye level with it. You can see over here, it is right here. Okay, and that's where we make our measurement. Now what I'm going to do is, now you record that volume, and I'm going to put an object in here. It's going to splash, and what you notice is that the volume now is higher. Okay, so what is that? And what's the new volume? Now the volume of the water has changed, and the volume of water that has changed is equal to the volume of the object that you placed in there. And I can actually record those measurements in units of milliliters, or I could do centimeters cubed, because they're equivalent in volume. All right, and it's important when you do these measurements to make sure that the object that you put in there, like I have this cylinder, this plastic cylinder in here, that I dry it off before I put it in there. And then when you mass it up, you want to make sure you dry it off. Okay,